Hi, today I'll be sharing with you 5 other automations. Check out my previous video for 3 more automation scripts. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first script which I'm going to show you is the clipboard logger. So in the script, we'll be using the package PyPaperClip, which will copy as the clipboard contents and we will store them in the file. All we have to do is just watch out for this PyPaperClip. So for this, we're just going to start a while loop using the function pypaperclip.paste. We retrieve the current clipboard content, and if the current content is not equal to the previous content, then we write down in the log file. So let's check the script in action. For this, I'm just going to start the script. Let me pull the terminal to the right side. Okay, now we're going to start. All right, here we have some output. Let me just check Control C. Okay, seems to be working. That's it, guys. That's how you never lose a track of the clipboard. Okay, now let's go to a second script, a break reminder script. You have been working for a long time, and now you need a kind of a break. So with the script, we're going to do just that. For this script, we'll be using a package called Plier, which will automatically notify in your Windows system. For demo purposes, in the script, every 5 seconds a notification will be generated. Okay, and that's just simple. So we import notification from the package Plier, and with the function notification.notify, we can define our message and as well as the title. We give a 5-second delay so that every 5 seconds a each notification can be generated. The time here is in seconds, so you can adjust according to your needs. All right, let's just see the script in action. Let me just start the script. Okay, I need to be seeing a notification any minute now. All right, I've just checked here. Do not disturb is on. Make sure your snooze is off. Here you go. Here you see now the notification is starting to generate. This way, you will never miss a break. Let me stop this notification script. Now, let's move on to the next script, the unseen emails. The idea behind the script is to never miss an email. Of course, you'll be having your email in another browser tab. With this script, what I'm going to do is to retrieve the number of unseen emails. So I've already stored my username and password in the environment variable. And this is just a boilerplate for retrieving the environment variable. All you got to do is to create a .env file wherever your script is being running and import the module python -.env to to load the function load.env. This will import the environment files within the script. Having imported the username and password with the help of this IMAP package, we'll be retrieving the number of unseen emails. In order to do that, initialize the IMAP library, log in and select the folder from where you need to retrieve the unseen emails. And now let's see the script in action. All right. Okay, it says we have 8 unread emails. Good. Let's move on to the next script, finding the total space. The script is relatively straightforward. We just import the package shutil and find the disk usage, make it into a readable format, and return the disk usage in a readable format. So all you got to do here is to enter the desired folder name or the desired folder location in the string. In this case, I have given my entire C drive. Let me see how much free space I've got. I've still got 35 GB free space. And we can also do for other drives. For my drive B, I've still got 98 GB. And the last script which I want to show you is an automatic screen generator. Using the module PyAutoGui, we are going to take a screenshots. So the function for the screenshot is nothing but PyAutoGui.screenshot. That's simple. A point to be noted here is that this PyAutoGui or the screenshot function can only take for the primary monitor, not for your secondary or the third monitors. Keep that in mind. This screenshot function makes a screenshot of the primary monitor, nothing yet. Let's see the script in action. Let me go to the output folder. I'm saving the screenshot under output screenshots. Let me just quickly open one of the screenshots. Voila. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the scripts. Try these scripts and let me know in comments what you want to see next. Thank you. Bye.